Hi, my name is Olivia Perry and I'm a senior planner in the Dane County Planning and Development Department. I'm going to tell you about a project that we're doing and why we're applying for the Game Changer grant. So the Dane County Planning and Development Department, the mission of their department is to provide quality services, information, and support to Dane County residents, elected officials, property owners, and visitors. The department is a multifaceted agency that includes planning department, zoning department, and records and support. And we have staff that works on a wide variety of activities and programs designed to protect and enhance the public health, safety, and quality of life enjoyed in Dane County. We work in zoning and land use permitting and processing, assessing land records, information, and mapping. We do a lot of planning with communities around Dane County and participate in many programs and projects such as farmland preservation planning, comprehensive planning, affordable housing and workforce housing, federal community block grants, and first-time homebuyer assistance. So the description of the program is, so the Planning and Development Department would like to develop, is in the process of developing a racial equity and inclusion plan that will be used to analyze our programs and services using a racial equity lens. Based upon this analysis, the Planning and Development Department will work to identify goals and objectives in the following areas: organizational commitment, leadership development, program innovation, collaboration, resource mobilization, education and outreach, communications, and evaluation. And we will also provide mapping. This analysis will be used to inform all programs and services and be a permanent and ongoing tool in which to achieve racial equity and inclusion that reflects the population of Dane County, striving to be inclusive of race and gender in all facets of our work. We will also share this plan with other planning and development departments around Dane County so they will have an opportunity to learn about this important initiative. How will the grant funds be used? The funds will be used to hire a consultant to review our plan and our analysis and conduct outreach, help us conduct outreach to residents, people of color, Black, Latino, Hmong, and other underrepresented groups. And it will also help us to develop educational materials in which we can disseminate to other communities around Dane County. So how is racial equity currently incorporated in our day-to-day work? It's actually not, which is, one of the reasons we're doing this. And one of the things we are doing in conjunction with this planning effort is hiring 2 interns from the Boys and Girls Club, and they're starting in the middle of June, so we will have 2 people of color working in our office for 6 weeks this summer. The impact of the grant. Well, the impact of the grant is already having a lot of impact within our own department. Staff are going to training and learning a lot about a lot of different ways in which there's implicit bias and institutional bias within the activities that we do as a planning department and the planning and development department. So we're not only educating ourselves, but we're beginning to learn about how the work that we do and the processes and the programs that we run might be furthering that bias, racial bias. So we're going to use the grant, as I said, to hire a consultant and have the consultant review our work and our analysis and then help us do outreach to the communities. And we're really looking forward to this work. We've been working on it for about 6 months and we'll be continuing for the next 6 months probably to refine it. And there's a committee of about 5 staff members from all the different divisions in the Planning and Development Department, and we're very excited and enthusiastic about this work and feel that hiring a consultant would help us achieve racial equity and be more informed about the work and how to be inclusive in the work that we're doing. So thank you so much, and that's it.